Hello pilots, I am Shinjimx. I am still going to record a couple of videos more about Sonic Dash, Sonic Boom. An interesting Dash game that it's interesting to make videos of. Just having fun doing this. As you can see, I have the shittiest internet in the world, so even the game will not load easily, which is problematic. I cannot play a lot of games, but there's nothing much I can do about it. I live in a very small island in the Maldives, and yes, the internet is crap because I don't know why, but that's the way it is. You need to wait a lot. Sometimes you just get tired of waiting, and that's why I cannot make and upload a lot of videos. Okay, well, I think this shit just got stuck. Perhaps we just try again. Let's just do this, then perhaps maybe this works. Sometimes you get like a loading circle in the middle. Yes, that one. That means that it's loading properly, I think. Yes. So I will play one event. This one, Run from Shadow. I think I just had some reward. Let's try again. Let's see if I can make 375, was it? Rings? Holy shit, look at this crap! What the fuck? Okay. Good. I like this. I was just making a video in Spanish and some shit like this happened as well. So wow, that's fantastic. I like that there's a lot of glitches. The only fucked up problem is that I ran out of tickets. I don't have any fucking more tickets to play this anymore. I cannot make this video. 375, I was right about that. They removed... I will not watch a video. Who likes to watch videos? I know. This is so crap. But I actually had the same experience doing the Spanish video a few moments ago. I don't know what the hell is going on. I just made another video in Spanish that was successful. After the crappy one, I had to restart my whole phone. Let's see what I get here. I have been leveling a little bit, as you can see. Now I have level 15. Let's just run it. Try to make a couple of missions, one or two, and let's have some fun with this crazy video game. Collect foreigner beams, that's really hard, and rail for a long time. I have been criticizing Shadow because his special move is really shit. Don't even mention Sonic, that only can be of use when it's dashing, and it's just impressive that they think of a power like that for Sonic when Sonic is supposed to be the main character. Don't you think? I believe that Sonic should have the most powerful one, or at least be balanced, but what kind of power is that? It's just really crap. So that's why we pick Knuckles. Because we love Knuckles. Who doesn't love that? No! Knuckles. The good thing from this running video game is that as long as you have rings, you are able to crash with certain enemies or some parts of the stage, and you will not lose, which is actually not normal. Most of the other games, as soon as you crash with anything, you are asked to watch the video and things like that. But not this one, so that's a good thing. I will show you a little bit of shadow, which I don't like, but sometimes just change. Oh! I got like more power. That's good. Oh! You see how it sends some fireball somehow, but it's not good against flying objects or flying bees or stingers, so I don't know what's their name. Oh! Ooh! But against mines, they explode the mines, and you can make a chain reaction with those. Now let's try some, because I have the full dash. Let's remove the Y from here, and then we can absorb everything. That's in your path. No power whatsoever. That's why we don't like Sonic. We don't like Sonic. Who likes Sonic? If you like Sonic and you will like... Oh! To show me why you like Sonic so much in this game, do so, because I hate him. He's honestly really bad. Oh, what was that? Looks like I had what? Okay, we finished a mission. I think we still have the ticket, so we can play a little bit longer. Woohoo! I think I was supposed to use the inner beams or something like. What? What? What happened there? This is all so fucked. I think there's a glitch somewhere. Anyway, that's what makes this. Oh! It didn't jump! Well, it was like half a jump. I will just send all these videos to Sega and tell them, hey, what the hell is wrong with your game? Honestly, you cannot believe this. Claim this prize. Perk, which one? That's 50% to global score multiplier. That's very powerful. But guess what? We need to have this 25. Okay, whatever. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked it. If you want to make your own videos, you can go to Google Play, and here you see the record button. It will ask you which quality you want to record, and it will tell you how long you can be recording for. As you can see, there are some glitches, but I think all of that is part of what we experienced. I am not editing the videos, and I hope you like them. Hey, see you around. Bye. See you on the next video.